Welcome to Marigold Lesson, the Mumbai Musicians. In this session we shall read the prose and understand new words.
Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Gupu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from the farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. The farmer said to Gupu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world, before you become too old." Gupu smiled and said goodbye. He set off towards the city of Mumbai.
I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there. On the way he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Gupu. "I am going to Mumbai to be a musician. Would you like to come?" asked Gupu. "Yes, I would," replied Gupu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. "Who are you?" they asked. "I am Furry, the cat," said the cat.
"Would you like to come with us to become musician?" asked Gupu and Dupu together. "Oh, I would love to come along," replied Furry. So off went the three together to become Mumbai musicians. Soon they met Cuckoo, the cock. "I love music and wish to join your band." They all reached house with a light. They were tired and hungry.
They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. They decided to sing to let the people inside know that they were musicians. They sang. The people inside thought that ghosts had come to scare them. They ran away as fast as they could. Gupu, Dupu and Furry went into the house and ate the food, till they could eat no more.
Fantastic! Such a funny story, where Donkey and his friends still think they are rewarded with food for their music. Let's look at the meaning of new words. The word tired means, in need of rest or sleep.
Example sentences are: My legs were tired after so much walking. I was so tired when I returned from school.
The word musician means, someone who is skilled in playing music.
Example sentences are: My teacher sings so well. She is an excellent musician. I am learning guitar from a well-known musician.
The word peeped means, to secretly look at something for a short time, usually through a hole.
Example sentences are: She peeped into the window and saw a big dog. The teacher peeped into the door to see whether the class is silent.
The word delicious means, having a very pleasant taste or smell.
Example sentences are: My mother prepares delicious laddus. The mango cake is delicious.
The word ghost means, the spirit of a dead person, represented as a horror creature.
Example sentences are: I heard a ghost story from my uncle. Have you ever seen a ghost?
The word scare means, to make a person feel frightened.
Example sentences are: Sudden noises scare her. I am scared of snakes.
After understanding the new words, let's answer the questions from textbook. Why did the farmer tell Gupu to see the world?
The farmer tells Gupu to see the world as he was now very tired and old.
Why did Gupu, Dupu and Furry want to go to Mumbai?
Gupu, Dupu and Furry wanted to become Mumbai musicians. That is why they went to Mumbai.
Why did the people in the house run away?
People in the house ran away as they thought ghosts had come to scare them.
Excellent. Both of you answered well. With this we have come to the end of the session, lesson, The Mumbai Musicians.